All right, it's pretty dark. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that well, but I am in the UK in southern England. We're gonna go fly a place called Harry Rock. Kind of a funny name, but I flew it yesterday. It was pretty sick. So we're gonna go out. I didn't really fly the FPV drone that much. I just flew the DJI Mini 5 and got some really cool stuff. And I'm hiking out here now, just before sunrise. It's kind of a trek. It's about a mile, but also, yesterday it was like crazy how not windy it was. For you to be like right on the coast of the ocean at like sunset, and right now I can feel a little bit of wind, but it's definitely not as bad as it was like when I was in Iceland and stuff. So should be manageable. I'll be flying from right over there. It's like the best view of everything. All right, we're about to be up to the top of that one I just pointed to. But wait till you see this, these spires popping out of the ocean. It's so sick. It is definitely more windy than yesterday. Get the camera set up. Hopefully I didn't spend too much time with the DJI drone. That should be pretty good. I'm probably gonna turn when I fly that way. Check with the camera butter app, ND16. I changed some settings yesterday. Should be good. All right, we'll get it on and let's get it. Little nerve-wracking. We'll be all right though. All right, here we go. I'm gonna fly over these seagulls straight towards the sun right now. That boat is scooting. There's been a bunch of sailboats like going out and turning left all morning. So I'm gonna get out here. We'll rotate it around. Holy cow, look at that. So we'll kind of shoot down. I'll go over the top of this one. Try not to hit any birds. I'm gonna launch up and over myself. Then I'm gonna turn a little bit. Just kind of keep it low through these pillars. That looks so sick. Probably orbit this one. Whoa, that was close. Get a shot of all the green up there. Go behind the rock, Jamie. Back over us. Turn again. And back. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. There's gonna be more from Southern England, and then we're going up through Wales, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Peace.